Well, let's talk about the big news coming in at this hour. The latest setback to the INDI bloc in the national capital, a setback to the Congress party in Delhi. The Delhi state president Arvinder Singh Lavli has resigned, citing alliance with the Aam Aadmi Party. There are a host of other issues raised by him in the resignation letter penned to Mallikarjun Kharge. He's also indirectly hit out at Kanhaiya Kumar and Udit Raj. He's not supported their candidatures. In fact, slams Kanhaiya Kumar for supporting Kejriwal's false propaganda of schools, electricity, health as well. He also says he was forced to, in a way, go to Arvind Kejriwal's residence on the day of his arrest. A host of reasons cited by Arvinder Singh Lavli. We've been picking up non-stop political reactions. Hear it from BJP's Harish Khurana first up.
In a major setback for the India alliance in national capital, Arvinder Singh Lavli, the DPCC chief, the Congress chief of Delhi, has put in his paper just ahead of the Lok Sabha elections in New Delhi. I'm being joined in by the Secretary, Delhi BJP, Mr. Harish Khurana. Mr. Khurana, thank you for joining us. Arvinder Singh Lavli has resigned from his post as Delhi chief of Congress. How do you react to it?
See, this is Congress internal problem. Why they have resigned is up to Mr. Lavli. But it was quite evident that they were not happy. Congress Karyakartas were not happy with the coalition seats which had been given to Congress and Aam Aadmi Party. Congress was the one who was claiming that they have exposes that liquor scam in Delhi. Ajay Makhan has clearly stated that he was the one who has exposed the and given the first complaint to for the liquor scam. Now people of Delhi were asking, you are the one who was saying that you are the one who was behind the liquor scam exposure. Now you are saying you have done a coalition with the Indi coalition now. Secondly, the person who has raised anti-India slogan in JNU, you're given ticket from Delhi from them. People of Delhi were not happy. Karyakartas of Congress was not happy. And that was the reason everything was not all right in this coalition. You have seen in the past, since last few days, they have not campaigned together. They were not doing any coordination committee was being not formed of Congress and Aam Aadmi Party. So no, it's not about just the sharing out seats. It's about the chemistry of the people also. Chemistry of the Karyakartas also. They were not happening that. So, and it's clearly evident right now, they have sensed that all the 7 seats again is going to BJP with the largest margins ever in Delhi. So that was the reason Mr. Lavli has seen that and cited that and gave the resignation. What I feel, internally why he is given, it's his lookout. But fact is, BJP is going to win all 7 seats and it's evident now in front of Congress also.
Mr. Khurana, you're suggesting that because Kanhaiya Kumar has been given ticket and there is an alliance with Aam Aadmi Party, that's the reason the Congress chief has resigned from Delhi. We posed this question to Kanhaiya Kumar. Also last week, after there were protests against his candidature in the DPCC office, Kanhaiya Kumar says, A, these protests are sponsored, B, the government belongs to BJP. For last 6 years, 7 years, they have been making these allegations against me, but they have never taken an action on this. How do you see that?
See, we have seen in the past, we have seen the videos, we have seen everything, and now it's taking their own course. Problem is not this. Problem is with the internal Congress problem. We have seen Sandeep Dixit also raising a few eyebrows against Kanhaiya Kumar.
Before I take in a word from my colleague Sabyasachi, let me quickly go across to my colleague Ankit, who joins us with the resignation letter. The manner in which Arvinder Singh Lavli's frustration comes to the fore via this particular letter, Ankit, is also very, very evident. I'll come back to you in just a bit. Sabyasachi, what next for the Congress? They're in an alliance with the Aam Aadmi Party. Arvinder Singh Lavli has called it quits. We spoke to Udit Raj, who says this is not going to really affect anything. But it doesn't speak well for the alliance, the INDI bloc, which is fighting together in the national capital.
Well, absolutely. See, it's definitely going to damage the Congress stand as far as the Aam Aadmi Party is concerned, because Earlier we had seen it was the same Congress party which was questioning the Aam Aadmi Party over the alleged liquor policy, and later the same Congress party decides to go with an alliance with the Aam Aadmi Party and give major chunk of the seats of Lok Sabha here in the national capital to the Aam Aadmi Party, and that has not gone down well with Lovely. Meanwhile, we are reporting live from outside Lovely's residence. See, currently he's there inside the residence, but some of the party workers are coming to meet him. See, currently we are trying to get a word from him about the letter that he has written to Mallikarjun Kharge. See, in that letter he has clearly cited the infighting issue that has been going on within the Congress regarding the entire seat sharing formula, as well as the
light from somebody who stood with the Congress party through and through this election season. Let's see what the Congress officially states post this big announcement coming in from Arvinder Singh Lovely. Many thanks for that, Sabyasachi.
Kane sir, your dinner.
On a tile? It's antibacterial.
Easy to clean.
But plates? Kane bhai, it's a tile ad.
IM Plus टेक्नोलॉजी से बने वर्ल्ड क्लास टाइल्स, टाइल हो तो सिंपल हो।